words on it.
Make sure you see a number 2 on the back.
Number 2.
Oh, good.
Erase this stuff and open it.
What's on the card?
Pretty.
Cute.
Little present for me. On a birthday cake. This is going to be a book.
Do you think it's a book? How do you know? Oh, you saw it? You want to take the ribbon off?
Ribbon off where?
See if it'll slide off.
This?
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Gonna open it, Mommy.
Ooh.
A painting book.
Oh, cool. What's on the front?
Front?
What is that a picture of?
An elephant.
Yeah, what's on this side?
Flowers.
Pretty.
Okay.
A rainbow.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's open the next one.
Honey, we gotta wait for your birthday.
These are all my...
Can you look at the book?
Wow.
Are you excited for your birthday?